Didn't think when it was 70 degrees yesterday and we were planting out here in the kitchen garden with the families in our community garden at 6 o'clock. It was so warm that we would have this start at 2 in the morning and wake up to all this snow. Somebody let their dogs in. You could see the yellow snow to pee in our community garden. I can't believe that. You could see the yellow spots of the yellow snow. Somebody let their dog come in here and pee in our garden. Oh, look at the cute little bird tracks in the snow. Oh, what is that dirty? That's the rain that's falling right now. It's actually yellow. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? That's weird. Look at the little birdie prints. Oh, we were putting down wood chips yesterday as well. Look at our daffodils along the edge of the garden. They're all blooming. And yesterday, the apricot tree just started to bloom. And it got all that cold snow on the blossoms. Oh, what a shame. Look at that. They're covered in cold, wet. And our yellow cornelian cherries, you could see there's something yellow happening. Huh. It's all over. You see that yellow? What is that from, I wonder? In the snow. And look, our beautiful cornelian cherry blossoms. Now we won't get cornelian cherries for the 5th year in a row. It has snowed on our cornelian.